Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy AI tools with Dell, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin deploying AI tools with Dell, first, identify your specific AI use case. Understand the problem you want to solve or the process you aim to enhance. Next, gather your team and stakeholders for a brainstorming session. Discuss various AI tools available and how they align with your needs. Once you have a clear understanding of your requirements, select the appropriate Dell hardware. Consider Dell servers that support AI workloads, such as the PowerEdge series. After choosing the hardware, ensure compatibility with the AI tools you plan to use. Next, secure the necessary software licenses for your selected AI tools. This may involve visiting the vendor's website or contacting their sales department. Now, it's time to set up your Dell hardware in the data center or cloud environment. Follow best practices for installation and ensure proper cooling and power management. Once the hardware setup is complete, install the operating system. Many AI tools work best with Linux distributions, so consider Ubuntu or CentOS. After the OS is installed, update all packages to the latest versions. Next, download and install the AI tool of your choice on the server. Follow the specific installation instructions provided by the tool's documentation. After installation, configure the AI tool according to your project requirements. This may involve setting environment variables or adjusting performance settings. Now, it's time to integrate the AI tool with your existing data sources. Establish connections to databases or data lakes to feed your AI model. Once integration is complete, proceed to train your AI model using historical data. Monitor the training process closely for performance and accuracy. After training, test the model with real-time data for validation. Gather feedback from stakeholders to ensure it meets your expectations. Once you're satisfied with the model's performance, deploy it into a production environment. Monitor the deployment for any issues and optimize as necessary. Conduct regular updates and maintenance to ensure optimal performance. Finally, document the entire deployment process for future reference. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.